2000 Volkswagen Phaeton. See, it's got these fuel rails here. See, we can get a little smaller. These fuel lines, I should say, and air lines running. I'm on the back side, passenger side. These little screws come out, like Allen heads, but I had to grab them with some vice grips to get to them because they're plastic and they were slipping. So I just pre-loosened them up. Then I took this little cover off. It had a zip tie on it, but I think from the factory it's supposed to be a metal clamp. But this looks like it's been here a long time, and the zip tie was doing its job. So I might just put another zip tie on. Okay, and these are the line connections here. As you can see them. Just sprayed some awesome on it just to get it wet and a little cleaner. And the other one's up under here. You can see that. Okay. Looks like it's the original. 186,000 miles. Okay, part 3. I got those clips off. There's little buttons on them. You just push the button in. On the top, you push the button in and wiggle it off. See, here's a button here. See if we can get a close-up picture of this thing. You see that right there? That little rectangle is like a button. So I grabbed it with my little needle nose pliers, these things, and got around there where I barely pushed on that button in, and then pried it off with a flathead screwdriver carefully. And it's out. I'm gonna do some cleaning while I got it apart before I put the new filter in.